I'm going to do a curry. The curry is going to be with gram and aubergine, or you can call it as eggplant. This preparation is going to be really nice, and I'm going to do it quickly and you can see how it's going to be like. This is something delicious, I would say. Come, we will go and prepare this and see. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to boil the gram. Only thing is you have to soak it overnight, then boil it, keep it ready. Keep that ready so that it will be easy for us to do this. Okay. This aubergine, what did I do now? Cut into large pieces. And I deep fry. Didn't put oil, only put oil, didn't put salt, pepper, nothing, and we just deep fried and kept it. There are some people call this aubergine, some they say eggplant. So, and we call it brinjals. So, it's all the same. So, we will see how this is done. Now, I put a little oil, just half a teaspoon of mustard seeds put. Now, I'll put the onion. Then I put the garlic and a little green chilies. Curry leaves, just crush it and put. Pandan leaf also. All that we put and stir fry. Any vegetable oil you like, you can put. You can use. When it's slightly stir fried and come, I am going to use the gram. This is boiled, no salt added when we were boiling, and you add that also. Carefully, I am adding a little water. About 1 cup of water I am adding. Why I am adding 1 cup of water? It is boiled, but you have to add again so that this preparation will come nice. So we have to add the oil again. While I add the oil, I think it's not enough. 1 cup I have to add. Now what I am going to do is, now only I am going to add the salt. We didn't add the salt at the beginning. Salt. We can have a little bit of pepper. And a little turmeric. These are important things. Then we will add chili powder. Then we add the curry powder. It's a curry powder that you use. All that we used, stir fry a little. Have some more nice ingredients that we are going to use here. Cumin seed powder. Coriander powder. Nicely stir it. Cook till it gets nicely blended with all these ingredients. Little bit of chili powder. After that only I will add the balance. Now we will add the brinjals. Deep fried brinjals. That is aubergine or eggplant, what we say. I will use milk. Either fresh milk or coconut milk. We use a little tamarind juice. Last of all, a little sugar. Now this preparation is almost ready. I am going to use a little celery. Celery gives a good nourishment, nourishing food, nourishing things. So we will use a little celery into this. I have made the preparation. I am going to dish it out. Keep a spoon and dish it out. Otherwise it will crack. for you, and it's going to be really nice and delicious also. A bit of decoration. We didn't use tomatoes into this. Now, only for decoration, we'll use the tomatoes. This is my preparation of this gram and aubergine curry, which we have done here. Gram and aubergine curry that I have done. It's very nice, very tasty. You can have this with plain rice, or we can have it with roti, naan roti, anything that you want you can have it, and even with bread you can have. It's nice, tasty and delicious. Try it out and see how it comes. Then only you will realize how it looks like. And with another episode, I will come back and do another nice preparation. Till then, be nicely prepare all these preparation and taste and see. Till then, bye from me now.